Hello, so in this video we are going to show you how you can install SSL certificate on your website. So first of all, you need to go into the plugin section of your website, and here you need to go add new plugin. Then go to write only SSL. You will find this plugin really simple SSL, so you need to click on install and activate it. So after the plugin is activating, you need to click on the activate SSL. It will take some time to load. So simply click on activate SSL, save and continue, and you just need to log in on your account again with the login credential, and your SSL will be working fine. So let me show you on the website. So if you see, connection is secure and your SSL certificate is working. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel for short videos like this, and you will find your solution in under 5 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.